Guys, why I decided to go for natural remedy instead of big pharma. We've been to Peru for less than a week and I just have a bit of a cough. So my nose is running too, and I decided to get a natural medicine from Amazon forest instead of pills or synthetic syrup. And we went to this market and we found this natural cough syrup, and it's good for cold. And as you can see, it's very thick. It's very thick, and you can see it's made out of plants. You have to take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. I just had one. Tastes great. It's very sweet. I can tell it's natural, and I already feel a bit better. Not coughing as much, so it's just unbelievable. I love this place. See you soon.
Take a shot of this 3 times a day and it's going to fix you.